Welcome, friends. Hey, we got a great show for you today. I'm going to talk about a product that will help you with all your cooking needs, whether you're cooking on the range in your house or cooking on the griddle outside. This product is versatile and it's a little healthier alternative compared to some of the other things out there that you can use for cooking. So, hey, let's get into it. Today's product review is on Members Mark Olive Oil Non-Stick Cooking Spray. This item was picked up at Sam's Club and it comes in a 2-pack. And I'll get into the cost here in a little bit, but just to kind of give you an idea of what I use this cooking spray on, I love to use this on my pans in the kitchen. When I'm getting ready to throw something on there to cook, it helps keep the food from sticking, does a great job.
It's real easy to use too. You just take your pan here, take your lid off, spray it around, boom, you're done. You're all ready to go to throw your food on, and it works pretty slick if you've never used this type of product before.
Where I really like to use this is on the griddle. I'll spray my griddle with this, and also, but once again, before putting food down, I like to use this to help season my griddle. Especially does good on the corners and on the side walls of your griddle. For those of you that aren't familiar with griddle cooking, you have to keep it oiled up, otherwise it will rust. So this is great not only for cooking, but afterwards, after you clean everything up, you coat your griddle with this, and that helps it keep it from getting rusting and helps season the layer of the griddle so your griddle stays nice for cooking.
I use olive oil on this thing all the time. It works great.
As far as the price factor, you can pick up a 2-pack of these for $4.98 at Sam's Club, which I feel is a really good deal. I mean, there's a lot of sprays on the market. The advantage of the olive oil over some of the other sprays that you see, you know, this is a healthier alternative. You know, as far as the nutritional facts, you know, there's no calories, there's no fat, there's no sodium, no carbohydrates or protein. There's nothing in it, but ingredient wise, it's extra virgin olive oil. It's got soy in it, some other words in there that I can't pronounce, but for the most part, there's you know, it's not like you're using vegetable oil or canola oil. Those oils are not very healthy for you, so this is much better alternative. Just to kind of give you some tips as well, like I said, I use it on the griddle top. Cast iron skillet, you can spray your skillet with that and kind of wipe it down. You can cook with that, but also use it for the cleaning with that. The other thing is air fryer. I know a lot of people are air fryer cooking nowadays. It's good to coat the bottom of your air fryer with that so your food doesn't stick. But another thing I like to do is if I'm cooking biscuits or something like that, I'll spray a little bit on top and it helps give it that golden brown color. Same thing with French fries. So, you know, keep that in mind. As far as this one goes, like I said, it's a healthier option. It's a great deal. I would say, I'm gonna rate it today for you. Out of 1 through 10, I would give it a 9. I would definitely buy this product again and use it. There's nice flavor. It works good for cooking. It works good for cleaning, like I said, on your cast iron griddle or your griddles or your cast iron pans. It's great for that, so keep that in mind. Hey, if you like the content of the channel, please give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I got more great reviews coming for you. I put out reviews about daily. You know, comment below on what you like to use this kind of spray for. What type of cooking. I would like to hear it in the comments below. But I appreciate you watching. Thank you, my friends. God bless. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.